Okay, exciting stuff in NotebookLM. They have now added these 10 new customizable features to customize your infographics. So you could choose auto select, sketch note, kawaii, let me zoom in a little bit, professional, scientific, anime, clay. Oh my gosh, this is like, for those of you my age, the Davy claymation that used to come on Sundays. Clay, editorial, instructional, bento grid, and bricks, which look like Legos. Okay, this is so fun. So I'm going to actually choose, I should choose professional, but I'm going to choose clay, and I'm going to click generate. I'm inside this notebook that is all about Claude Workshop, so I'll pause this and come back with the results. Okay, I have a few results here to show you, and I'll just click through. All right, that's the Lego one. I think that's the professional one. There's that one. And here's the claymation one. And I didn't do, all of them. So get over there and check it out for yourself and let me know how you like it.